High on this untouched ridge, our ambitious Green Mountain build begins. Built into the mountain's core, a modern masterpiece stands in harmony with nature. Deep in the untouched wilderness, the dream of total self-reliance begins with clearing the land. Leveling the earth creates the backbone for our off-grid haven. Harnessing the continuous kinetic energy of running river water. Clean, endless power secured 24 hours a day. Excavating a self-sustaining aquatic ecosystem for fresh food. Every plank milled directly from the forest around us. Solid stone foundations lift our home high above the forest floor moisture. Handcrafted post and beam joinery built to endure generations. Dual energy collection, harvesting solar rays to complement our hydropower. Radiant thermal warmth anchored by natural river stone masonry. Cultivating year-round agriculture, insulated against harsh forest winters. Closed-loop aquaponics, cycling rich nutrients between fish and crops. Sheltering livestock to secure fresh daily dairy, eggs, and farm compost. Cultivating abundant organic crops powered by automated gravity irrigation. Interconnecting every corner of the homestead with rugged, handmade infrastructure. Total freedom realized. A fully self-sustaining solitary haven deep within the forest.